Well, hey, everybody, it's Jim and Mark. We're back again for another great episode. This is Jam's Rock Talk, and we're trying something a little bit different this time around. We're going to try to do, drum roll, we're going to do a reaction video. So Jim is going to react to a video today that I've chosen for him, and music he's never heard before from a band he hasn't listened to before, and he's going to throw one at me hopefully in another week or so, and we're going to do the reverse. But we're going to try this out tonight, and he's going to be listening to a band called the Tedeshi Trucks Band. Love this band, if you haven't heard them already. Made up of Susan Tedeschi and Derek Trucks. They're great blues artists, musicians extraordinaire. That's what I'm going to call them. They're a little ahead of their time or a little behind the time. Whatever time frame you want to call it. I love their music, and I'm not going to say a whole lot, but I have selected a song called Midnight in Harlem. It is a song that Derek Trucks wrote with a former bandmate. He wrote the music and bandmate wrote the lyrics. So in this video, you should be watching Susan sing the song, which she usually does now on stage. It's not anybody else. And I think you're just going to really like the music. It's a little bit long, but I think well worth it. And it's a great listen. I think you'll understand why once you listen to it. So I'm going to let you cue up the video, and I'm going to wait to see what you have to say about all this great music you're going to listen to. And then we're going to meet up at the end, and we're going to have just a short discussion about what you listen to. All right, everybody, here we go. Have fun with this one. All right, Jim.
All right, here we go. Trucks is doing a little Middle Eastern riffing. It's very cool. Nice blues organ.
Well, I came to the city. I was running from the pain. My heart was bleeding, and it hurt my bones to lay. Staying in the city, no exception to the rules, to the rules. He was born to love me. I was raised to be a spoon of the smooth. Gotta spend your whole life trying. Ride that train and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem.
Yeah, so far, nicely laid back kind of blues. Love the organ solo.
Well, I came to the river and I took a look around. There were old men's shoes. There were needles on the ground. No more mysteries, baby. No more secrets, no more clues. subway's closing down. Gonna carry this dream to the other side of town. Walk that line, tell the world, gotta spend your whole life trying. Ride that train, and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem.
All right, getting into the guitar solo. Some great slide guitar technique there. Real tight. Interesting how he's playing without a pick. Tremendous technique. Okay,
Wow.
so I've had a chance to listen, and
Yeah.
very nice.
What'd you think?
Very nice song.
Were you taken by surprise? Was it something that you were thinking it was going to be, or
I had
first reaction?
First reaction
Good or bad?
was, oh, it was excellent. It was excellent.
I agree.
Yeah, it started off nice and mellow. You know, the way he was doing the slide guitar had some Middle Eastern scale and melodic ideas, and then it kicked into a nice groove. And
Would you say this is like a modern blues version, a modern blues band?
Oh, for sure, for sure.
Yeah, they have a great sound.
It kept building and building in intensity. Now, there wasn't a horn section with this particular version, but
they usually on a live version, a lot of live versions, they'll put in they have a sax, trumpet, and all. It's great. It's just the balance of music that comes off the stage.
It's not something that I would gravitate towards on a regular basis, but
there's other songs that you have to listen to that are very different, a lot more rocking. This is more of like a ballad, but it's just a beautiful song.
It is a beautiful song.
It's an absolutely gorgeous song. And I love the ending of the song.
Yeah, no, I think
I love the ending.
Yeah. No, I think in this day and age where guitar bass bands are kind of rare, and this is a nice return to that guitar centric
Well, I think
style.
you also have to listen to more and watch more, because Susan Tedeschi is an incredible guitarist on her own right.
Yeah, and in this
Derek
particular
is in the
live
background.
version, it
Derek
was
is
all
playing right
Derek.
now, and that's featuring him. But when Susan plays and you listen to how she plays, it's a very different style guitar playing, but it's very bluesy. Her voice is just killer,
Yeah.
like blues. Just perfect, on point all the time. It's just great, soothing, relaxing. It's just music that I could just listen to all the time, just because it's so enjoyable to listen to, so melodic.
Well, and the blues is the foundation of rock and roll. So
that is why I kind of went this direction. I love the blues, as you know, and a lot of my bands that I enjoy are blues-based bands. And this is just that I wanted you to hear this, because I knew it wasn't on your radar. But now that it's on your radar, hopefully you'll check them out a little bit more, listen to them a little bit more.
Yeah.
But overall, I would say that Tedeschi Trucks Band, it's a good one.
Yeah, for sure.
You'll spread the word.
Yeah, and I'd be curious what our viewers have to say about it as well.
Yeah, it'll be fun. So with that being said, here's where you leave that comment. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Do all the buttons at one time. Press, 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 press. Come out, check out this cool video we just put together here. Everyone, just give us a big shout out. We hope you like it. We're going to do another one again. This time it'll be my turn to sit down and see what he comes up with.
I know he's going to hate it.
I know it's going to come my way. It's going to be some sort of alternative music that I know I'm going to be like, oh my Lord, have mercy. But hopefully I'll be mildly surprised. I did surprise you with this one, I think. So we'll go from there. And Jim, go break out some more Tedeshi Trucks Band. And in the meantime, everyone else, you go check it out as well. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great afternoon. Have a great evening. And we'll see you on the next video.